Hi everyone, this second video is going to show you how to create a quiz. So from your main page, you're going to go over to Classwork, and then from there you're going to click Create. You'll see there are a lot of options for assignments, quiz, question, material, and reuse post, but what we're going to click for this is Quiz Assignment. Then you're going to title your quiz. I'm just going to call this a tech quiz. And then from there you're going to click Blank Quiz. This will bring you over to Google Forms where you're going to add the questions. So you're going to title your quiz again. Once again, I'm going to call it Tech Quiz in both spots, the top and the middle. And then from there, I'll start adding questions. As you see, it's already prepared for multiple choice, which is what I want it to be. You do have the option to change to short answer, paragraph, checkboxes, and so forth, but for this purpose, we're going to just use multiple choice. So you're going to type out a question related to your topic that you want to teach someday, and this is just a general quiz on your topic. Okay, now that I have my 5 questions with multiple answers for each question, I'm going to show you how to make it worth points. So in the question, you're going to actually go down to Answer Key after you have the question and answers in, click Answer Key, and then you could change the points. Since we only have 5 questions and we want it to be worth 100 points, we'll put 20 points here. And then you have to choose the correct answer. And then when you're finished, click Done. So what this is going to do is after students complete the quiz, it will automatically grade their assignments. And this saves a significant amount of time for teachers so they don't have to spend time grading each one of the quizzes. The computer will do that for them, and afterwards the computer will also provide the data and graphs so the teacher can make data-based choices for their class. So when you're finished with that, you're going to go back into Google Classroom, and you can actually X out of this page because it's going to save in Google Classroom. So I'm going to go back in here. You can change any of the settings on the side. I don't want anything changed for this assignment, but just know that you can change these settings. And then afterwards, you can click Assign. So as you see, now I have a tech quiz. I also had a previous math quiz in there as well. From Classwork, you can see that you can also go back to Stream, and you can see that I now have a new assignment posted for my class. So when I go into grade your Google Classrooms, I'm going to make sure there's an announcement that explains how the course management system or Google Classroom can be used in the future class. And I'm going to click into your quiz and make sure that you have 5 questions with multiple choice answers and that they have a point value associated with that. So when you're finished, you're going to go up to the gear icon where it says Class Settings. And if Manage Invite Codes is turned off, you're going to turn that on. And here you'll see an invite link. And that's what you're going to copy the invite link, and you're going to post that in Moodle. So that's all you're going to post for this assignment. I will join your Google Classroom as a student view, and that's how I'm going to grade your Google Classroom. So just post that invite link, and then you're all done with this assignment. Please reach out if you have any questions.